Welcome. So let people join, then we'll start. There are some few one or two announcements to make, so one or two additions in our tutorial section that I will inform you, and you can just I can tell you evening time we are coming in 7:30 regularly, so you can join us that time also. So with your all questions and all experiments, whatever you are doing. So I'm just waiting. Let people join. Then I will tell you about the whatever the new tutorials and programs what you have added. Hope your classes, institutes, organizations, everything running in full fledged. So now holiday seasons are over. So focus more. Now we are also focusing more on the our Python tutorials, Python and data import export, which we are continuing. So you must be knowing. And earlier we have a one particular Kinter we are using. So you, as a user interface, so user can browse and pick up file or do some other stuff also to give the input to the process. So based on that input we are working on that. But in that now earlier we had used the CSV, XML, SQLite, MySQL for either for input or as a output, storing the output. So as taking the input or storing as in this format. Now we have used included XML also, extensible markup language or XML. So that we have included. So for that, to better to understand XML exclusively, we have created a section talking about XML, and that from that we have migrated and we have given so XML we are using, and in that from that XML we are exporting data to various other sources, to CSV, to SQLite, to MySQL, any source you can use it. So for that we have created an exclusive homepage section. So for our SQLite, sorry, for our XML, let me just check it off. Our if any questions are there, yeah, fine, friends. So that we are using it, and so the exclusively XML section we have added. Now from that you can come to our Kinter GUI, so where you can export or import data from XML to different sources and from different sources to XML. So we have included XML now, and I am just remind you that I am coming online every day at 7:30. You can join at that time, 7:30. You can join us for ask your questions, and I will tell you what are the things going to come up, and what we are going to discuss. And every day almost we are adding frequent tutorials, and also you can follow us and study those tutorials. And if you are facing any issues, questions, or any comment, or if you have any idea about on the topic, you can discuss with us and post the questions. And at around 7:30 when you are online, you can also ask questions, and all the tutorials whatever you upload, you can ask questions in the comment section below that. So that will help us in giving more ideas and all. So today actually we are focusing more on the XML section. So we'll be adding 2-3 tutorials on XML, data import export to XML. And yesterday also we have added one tutorial on how to use RSS feeds, reach syndicate, where you will be able to get the data. Say you are building a system where you are storing data from a database. Read simple syndicate. So what happens that you will get the data and store it in your format. Say you are running a website, you want continuously whatever the news coming from the particular famous site like BBC and all, you want to display it. BBC gives you a RSS feed. You can just search for RSS feed and see that. So that how you will handle. So that part we discussed, and we have created a script, and also we have given a script where you can store the RSS feed data into a SQLite database. So that also we have developed. So only updated data will be, it will take it. Say the data is all, you run the script, If the RSS feed is hi, hi all those who have joined now. Hi, we are regularly coming online to discuss about Python, pandas and all, so you can join us. Let me just go to panel so I can see you all. Yeah, so you can post your questions, answer your doubt, or if you have any suggestion ideas, you can post me here, and regularly we are updating our tutorials and articles we are publishing. So you can see that one, follow us, please like our this session and other tutorials also, so you will be getting notifications whenever we are adding tutorials, and nowadays we are frequently adding. And based on your feedbacks, comments, everything, I can hi Tarun. So based on your feedbacks, comments, whatever, we are modifying it also and adding new sections to the site. The links you can get it in the description below once the session is over, or you can follow us in YouTube and check it up. So we are there. Kinter for freelancing projects, yes, based on the requirement. If user want a interface, so it is better use give, because Kinter uses Python, and you can develop application also, standalone applications by using Py installer. So Kinter, you can use it, you can use the Kinter to give your project, say based on the what type of project. Say you have a database project, you want to give your client a interface where he don't know how to handle the SQLite at the back end. So you give a interface using Kinter, so he can see the view the list of the tables, you can modify it. So that's the interface you can give. So I don't know what's your client requirement is. It is not that you must use Kinter, because Kinter is a user interface only. It's not, it doesn't talk directly to MySQL or your database or any other thing. Through Python it goes. So you use Kinter as a database interface. Sorry, it's not a user interface, so it's a Python which works all the modification. It's a user interface. Suppose user wants, what's the a report user wants with various combinations, what's the total sales in this month, say for example, say total sell in this month, you will from the drop down menu you will select from a calendar, he selects that, we can this. Okay friends, I will stop here. If you have any questions, you can ask me. That depends on you how much the project is. I can just give you, because I don't know much on the what is the project, was the project requirement and all. So you can, I just come for few 10 minutes in the morning, evening you can join me for at around 7:30. I will just call you again. So evening join me, you can join me in the evening time also, we can discuss further. If no more questions are there, I can stop here again, evening 7:30, and we are coming quickly for 10 minutes, 10 to not more than that. If you have any doubts, suggestion, questions, put it here or below any tutorial, and my request is please follow us or like us or join as a subscriber to us, so you will be getting all the notifications. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.